Hi you guys, I'm back for another makeup tutorial, and today I'm going to be doing an all blue look. I've got lots of options here. Unfortunately, I don't have Jeffree Star's blue collection, but I'll survive. So I'm going to go ahead and go off screen. I've already got my base look and I'm going to do one eye. Okay, so now for the final reveal in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now I've just got to recreate it. Okay, so you can get a better look here at the final product. So I'm gonna go in with my P. Louise base. The P. Louise primer just helps to get that eyelid ready for the eyeshadow to stick. The first shadow that I'm going to go in with is a pure white from the Anastasia palette. The next color I'm going to go in is Bermuda from Spectrum. And actually I'm going to use a packing brush to really get this color going. The next color I'm going to go into is also from the Anastasia palette. It's called Dream It. And I'm going to go right into this corner and start packing it in. It's got a lot, ooh, and some fallout. It's got a lot of pigment in it. I'm going to pack that on and just start pulling it over into the crease. The next color I'm going to go into is from my Muerte palette, and it's called Noche Eterna. Eternal Night. Oh, already done that eye. I'm going to just slightly pack that into that corner there. Don't want to make it too dark, but I do want to have that smoked out eye look. Like how might have to put a little cover up on that. Now we've got this smoked out look, and I think I'm just going to flurry some more of that light blue on the edges to soften them. So I'm going to take Bermuda and I'm just going to go along those edges and put that Bermuda back in. Before we move on to eyeliner, I want to cut out kind of where that eyeliner is going to go so that we can get that really vibrant blue. I think we would get it anyway, but I don't want to take any chances, so I'm going to go ahead and do it anyway. I have this very thin, straight brush, and I have my P. Louise base. It's not wanting to focus. Take that from this far corner all the way to the edge of the lid. So I'm going to start here. Make sure they're even here. I think I should have gone a little further upward. Now it is ready for the blue eyeliner. You guys know I love this stuff. It's matte and it's so bright and it's so vibrant. I love it. And we can be pretty thick with it because we are gonna put a lash on top of it. Okay, and then I'm going to do a very thin line that goes under, kind of waves under that lid. We're ready for the lashes. I'm gonna step off camera and do these lashes because who wants to see me put on lashes? Okay, I've gone and put on my eyelashes, and now I'm going to do something super fun, which is to put some blue Wet n Wild on the ends of my lashes. So I'm just going to kind of apply the same way you would apply a mascara. One more step to the eyes, and that is my jewels that I added for a little bit of flair because, you know, there wasn't enough already. Here we go. Okay, now it's time for some bronzer. I'm not gonna add any blush because that would add a different color other than blue. So I'm gonna do some bronzer, and here we go. And there we have our bronzing. Move on to my lips, and this may surprise you, it may not, but I do have a blue lipstick. It's kind of a gray blue, and I'm super excited to use it. All right, last step, highlighting. I'm gonna dip into that very bright white. Ooh. Yes. I know there's something that a lot of you look forward to in these videos, and that is Ben's reaction. He's a funny dude. He has good responses. Unfortunately, he really doesn't like being on camera. So, no more Ben responses. I know. Well, there you have it, folks. Now, I might not be ready to go out on the Bentonville Square. I might not even be ready to go check my mailbox, but I am ready to go to Mardi Gras or the Carnival in London. So I have that skill for then. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below or DM me. This has been fun. Have a good day. Bye.